Okay, so we got this crane remaining, and it does have a panel attached to it. However, that second crane that used to be next to it is down. See it there in the bottom here, and it could be disassembling, so it could be down to one crane here at the stadium, and then after the final panel, I don't know if they still require this crane to be here. That could be dismantled as well. Air horn has dropped, so we got another kind of a triangular shaped panel going up. Crazy. Looks like a paper airplane or something. Used to seeing squared up versions. Cool. There's the ETFE. It's pretty cool. Cool. There's the ETFE. It's pretty cool. See this guy radioing to the crane operator. Well, it's just been kind of hanging here for like 10 minutes, so I'm gonna maybe give up on watching the conclusion of this, but I'll consider it just about done. Maybe the last panel installed at SoFi Stadium. see one of the flatbeds here. I got one of the segments of the crane boom. There's another one. And I got another truck here with another portion. So yeah, they're definitely tearing apart one of the two cranes. So I guess that's good news. You can see this portion of the roof is pretty much ETFE. And then I'll pan down to the seats. So it's kind of what you'll be looking like on this upper level here during a day game. You can see it is illuminated, diffused by the ETFE. And then what everybody's wondering is how you're gonna stay cool in those August, September, October venues. Because you do have this open area here, and then on the opposite side, but somehow there will be airflow to keep you kind of cool. And then you can see some of the stadium lights there. I don't think that's the final position of where that'll be, but I think they will elevate it up to this level where I've seen some other portions to where that lighting should finally end up. Come on, ETFE. You can still see some bare concrete. We're still waiting for some more seats to develop here. There's that HVAC building getting a little love. I got the Tyvek covering. It'll be looking like new again. Back into the performance venue. A lot of gnarly steel bars and things. They should be walling that up. I don't know. They've only got this portion walled so far. Make their way across. Another shot of those engines that'll be powering the retractable roof portions. There they go. Rolling down the highway. On to the next.